Hello YouTube, welcome back to the Outdoor Cook Shack. Today I'm going to be doing for you the Granny's Omelette. It's one of my favorites at a national franchise breakfast house. I have everything out here, I believe. I got 3 eggs, hash browns, ham, green peppers, onions, and celery. And of course butter, salt and pepper. I do have the Camp Chef flat top preheating. I have the far side on medium, the next burner on low. That one also on low, and the far right is off. Once it gets warmed up and stuff, I'll probably be shutting this burner off. So I'll just have the 2 on the left on. The one on the left will be medium, then the next one will be on low. Go ahead and stay tuned. Oh, I almost forgot the cheddar cheese sauce. Okay, first we'll go ahead and start with the hash browns. Get our butter down. Just made a ham and cheese omelet, so laptop has a little bit of heat left in it. I did shut it off, and in between salt and pepper, of course. Probably let these go for about 3-4 minutes here, and then we'll go ahead and get our vegetables down. The cheese sauce here with my cast iron here, I preheated the cast iron in the house with some vegetable oil in it first to open up the pores of the cast iron. And then of course dump the vegetable oil out, let it cool a little bit, and then I put my cheese sauce in here. So hopefully that'll keep it from sticking. You can kind of see how the edges just kind of rolls right down the edge of the side. Alright, I'm back about 3 minutes later. Once again, just let them cook. I'm not worried about being in a patty at all or anything like that, because this is going to go inside the omelet. A little vegetable oil down. And the vegetables. They're equal parts. Peppers, onions, and of course celery, which seems kind of odd for an omelet. And I'm going to salt and pepper also. We'll give it a little bit of butter I got out here yet. Alright, let it cook. Keep an eye on the cheese sauce. Just while that's cooking, I'll go ahead and start whipping my eggs up. Try to whip some air into them. Go ahead and put the ham down. Go ahead and stir everything together. Thinking I should add a little more hash browns. Generally they serve it with a square and a half a square inside the omelet and the other square on the outside of the omelet, served alongside it. Those are just simply potato, store-bought. Sure, if you watch my other videos, I don't want my vegetables to be all cooked down to nothing, so what I'm going to go ahead and do is shut this other burner off. So now these two here are off. This one's on medium and this one's on low. Get our temp down a little bit for our eggs. Alright, here I'm back again another minute later. And as always, it looks like I got plenty filling. It is a 3-egg omelet though, and it is meant to be a big omelet. Take a look at our eggs. It's getting a little warm yet right here. I'm going to go ahead and shut this burner off. So all three of these are off now, which is the only one that's on far left, and that's on medium. Curious. Looking at 350, 320, 310, 280. Up front here we're at 260, 249, 250, 270, 300. Going back 350, 320. 280. Alright, I'm going to move this out of my way because I am right-handed. Let's go ahead and go a little vegetable oil, not as much as last time. Sounds like the guys are back from lunch out front. Some of that off there. There we go, that's about all you should need. Nice thing about this omelet, I'm going to go ahead and turn that burner off now also. Because you don't have to worry about any cheese melt. Cheese sauce. Go ahead and dump all 3 eggs down. Try to spread them out evenly. Cheese sauce. This is also just a store-bought cheddar cheese sauce. Sorry for doing it off camera. There you go. That's my version of the Granny's omelet. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more videos in the Outdoor Cook Shack. Thanks.